Ever wondered how AI models process and interpret visual information? Like, how does a neural network simultaneously recognize a sofa and a chair in the same image? Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking method that maps the hidden pathways in AI systems, called granular concept circuits, to uncover how these models encode complex ideas. Here's the core challenge. Neurons in a neural network activate in response to specific patterns. But how do we identify which neurons collaborate to represent a concept, like a sofa or a window screen? Researchers developed two critical tools to solve this: the Neuron Sensitivity Score, SNS, and the Semantic Flow Score, SSF. Think of the SNS as a neuron sensitivity indicator. It quantifies how much a neuron's activity changes when the input image evolves, like adding a chair to a room. If the neuron fires up, it's likely attuned to that concept. The SSF, meanwhile, measures semantic overlap. It checks if neurons share activation patterns, such as a sofa neuron lighting up for both a living room and a park bench. Together, these metrics reveal how concepts propagate through the network. The process begins by identifying root neurons, those with strong activation for a given input. Imagine these as the initial sparks in a firework. The algorithm then uses SNS and SSF to trace connections to the next layer of neurons, building a network of linked concepts. This layer-by-layer traversal continues until no new connections are found, resulting in a directed acyclic graph, DAG. This DAG maps the flow of ideas through the model, like following a trail of breadcrumbs through a neural labyrinth. Let's say the input is scoreboard. The model might split into three distinct circuits. One could focus on the sky background, another on flags, and a third on the clock. These aren't random. Each circuit is a specialized pathway capturing a unique facet of the input. And because this method works across architectures, ResNet, Vision Transformers, and beyond, it's a universal tool for decoding AI's internal logic. The results are fascinating. For a peacock image, the model traced a hierarchy from blue tones to blue scales to decorative patterns. For a cauliflower, it evolved from circular shapes to turtle shells and cherry tomatoes. These aren't arbitrary activations. They're hierarchical, layered representations that mirror human perceptual processing. To validate these circuits, researchers conducted experiments. When they removed neurons from the identified circuits, the model's accuracy plummeted, proving their critical role. Conversely, disrupting unrelated neurons had negligible effects. It's like pulling out key threads from a tapestry. The entire structure unravels. This isn't just academic, it's foundational. By mapping these circuits, we're moving beyond the black box to understand how machines see and think. Imagine leveraging this insight to build AI systems that are not only powerful but also transparent, reliable, and aligned with human values. The future of AI isn't just about what it can do, it's about how it understands the world.